Today we're going to make Superworm. Take an old pink blanket and cut out 3 strips to make 3 sausages. Sew together with a zigzag stitch and taper at the end to make your worm tail. Fill inside the sausage with whatever you can find. I found these biodegradable packing peanuts worked a treat. Now you're going to map out your worm head. Then you're going to use a zigzag stitch to sew around it. Cut off the excess and turn inside out. I hand stitched the head to the tail, leaving a little hole so I could fill up the head with the peanuts. Once I filled, I sewed this hole up too. You've practically got a snake. Dance like Britney. I made eyes and a mouth out of card. I used an old pair of white leggings and a jumper that I had from 2 years ago. Remember this one? And I added on lots of colourful felt to make grass, flowers and bugs. You're probably wondering, Rach, what's that black thing? This is double-sided Velcro tape. So this is how you're going to attach your worm to your outfit. You're going to attach the one side of your Velcro to the material of your outfit and the other side to your worm. So now your children can take it on and off whenever they need to. Here's Superworm with his Velcro in place. So all you've got to do now is stick him on. It's a lot easier to do when you have 2 free hands. And there you have it guys, your very own long, strong Superworm. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.